Hi there! So you are a proud owner of the external prize page mod. Congratulations! This is an awesome mod. It's one that we've had for a while and we really like it. So today I'm going to go over how to set it up in your admin panel, basically tell you a little bit about what it is and what it does and why, and maybe you already have some kind of an idea but don't fully understand it. So I'm hoping that this video will help explain everything for you. After you have downloaded the mod, you're going to go to Offers in your admin panel and go to External Prize Page, and it will bring you to the page that we're on right here. The URL that you will use to put into rotation at other exchanges or safe lists, wherever you are going to advertise this page, is right at the top, and it'll have your domain name with the extension on here. Now, if you take that URL and you put it into a new browser, it's going to look something like this. Now, you'll be able to determine how you want this page to look. You don't have to use your theme header or your theme footer, but you can if you want. It's entirely up to you, and I'll go over where you're going to change those in a little while. But first, I just wanted to explain what it does. Basically, you're going to see these two boxes here. So when this is rotating out there, you're going to have set up here different prizes that people can win, whether it's members or whether it's new signups. You'll be able to adjust your fonts, how big, how small, the type of font, colors, whatever you want to do there. And again, I'll go into that in a little while. But the really good part about it is that if they're not a member and they see this and they think, I've been meaning to sign up there, and look at now I can get an extra 30 credits, or however you have it set up. So they decide, okay, I'm going to go ahead and join. So they type in their first name, their last name, their email address, and they click sign up. So now you've got a new member off your external prize page. That's awesome. Your members will also catch on to this as well. So they're going to say, hey, I can get another 30 extra credits over at your site name. So they type in their username and they click claim prize, and they win whatever you have set up. So that's basically how that works. Go back to the admin panel and I'll explain how to set it up for you. Right at the top, you see settings, and the very first setting is each member can win max once each, and you can put day, you can put no limit, week, month, 2 times, 4 times, 8 times, and so on. And if you set it up for more than once per day, you can set it up, well, how often can they win? How many minutes? Because you don't want them to turn right back around and refresh the page, right? Because we know that our members learn how to do this stuff very quickly. So you can set it up for however many minutes before they can win again. The chance of seeing a follow-up prize, 0 to 100%, and putting in a 0 here will disable follow-up prizes, and 100% means a follow-up will be shown after each win. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what is a follow-up? Well, if we go back to this page here that we had set up, once they click sign up or an existing member clicks claim prize, they're going to be brought to another page that says, congratulations, you have just won, in this case, 30 credits. Well, also underneath that, it's going to say, but you know what, if you log in, do you want another 20 credits? Because if you log in right now and you serve 50 pages within 120 minutes from now, you're gonna earn those extra credits, or whatever you have it set up for. So that's what a follow-up page is. gives them a chance to win even extra and gets them to log in to the account. Here's a couple of good reasons for that. If they're a new member and they get a follow-up, this is going to encourage them to go ahead and log in, not only to get the extra prize, but now they've got to go in, log in immediately, set up the account, and start surfing in order to win that extra prize. So that's a plus. That's giving you an active member right there. If they are already a member, well, maybe they saw this page rotating on another exchange, and maybe they didn't plan on surfing your exchange today. So they just thought they'd claim their however many credits you had up here and go away, keep surfing that other exchange. Well, but they see the follow-up prize page, and they say, oh, yeah, I can get this many more credits or whatever it is if I log in and surf right now. So this is going to encourage them to log in and surf. Another great feature. Okay, so the next item is follow-up expiration time. Remember I talked to you about that they have to do that within so many minutes, because how many times have we said, okay, I'll do that later, and we never get around to it? Well, this is going to force them. The only thing I want to caution you on here is if you're telling them you want them to surf another 100 pages and you're going to give them 100 credits or something, it doesn't matter what the amount is, that's up to you, but make sure you give them enough time to get that done so that they can win that prize. So don't expect something unrealistic according to your surf timers and things. So you want that to be set realistically for them. Restrict access to allowed sources below. Again, as I said earlier, members are going to figure out ways to get around and try to get extra prizes, right? We know they try it all the time. Well, if we scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can see allowed sources over here. And if you put in a domain name, say 5hits.com or, qualityhitsforyou.net or bootscootintraffic.com, you're just going to put in the domain name. These are the domains that you are going to have this page running at. And if you put those in there and you select that button up at the top right here to yes, that means that the member is not going to be able to put this page into another browser and claim it again. They're only going to be able to do it, claim it, if they're surfing at these places. So really great feature there. The last item on the settings is the alternate page shown if the member cannot win. So once again, you've got it set up that they can only win once per day and they try to win again. Well, they're just going to be taken to your site page, basically your index, your sales page. And then all you have to do is click save. So now you got your basic settings set up. Now it's time to add prizes. Okay, so you're going to name your prizes. So you can see I have 100 banner impressions here. In fact, why don't we just set one up? We're going to let's see. We're going to give them 30 credits, 60 banners, and 90 text. I'm just pulling numbers out of my head. And we're going to give away, that's quite a bit of credits, so I'm only going to allow 30 of those. Okay? Remember, you don't want to give away the farm. Keep track of what you're giving away on this external prize page, because you don't want to be giving out a lot of credits. Yes, you want signups, yes, you want to give, but always keep close track of your credit inventory. So I'm only going to give 30 I said 30 credits. I'm not going to get cash, 60 banners, and 90 texts. And then I'm going to make it available, and I'm going to click add a prize. And you can see went right here, shows my 30 available, shows I haven't given any away yet, shows the prizes that I have set up, and then the stats. It'll show how many views, wins, and signups you've gotten off of it. Now the stats are great because they can show you how many views, how many wins, and how many signups. I just want to make a quick note here. We were about one of the first exchanges that I think got this mod, so people were not used to seeing it, so you're going to see a lot of views on ours. But you can also see that we did get some signups, some new members from some of the ones that we had. And you know, what you need to do is you need to try to work, change them up. The one good thing about this is that when you have all these made available, they're going to rotate. You know, this one's not going to show every single time. It's going to rotate between all of these, which is really kind of cool because they're not going to see the same thing all the time. And then the other good feature is that you can actually view your winners. And it keeps a 30-day history. Winner logs are automatically deleted after 30 days. But the nice thing here is it shows what user numbers, user IDs took advantage of this. And if they were a new user, it'll say new sign up, and you'll see the user ID, and not only that, you can see where they were coming from. So really great feature there. The next thing that you can set up is to add a follow-up prize. Once again, you're going to name the prize. You're going to say how many they need to surf in order to get this prize. How many of these prizes are you going to make available? Set the prize, make it available, and add a prize. And the other thing that you can do is if you're running low on them, you want to make some more available, all you have to do is add some more here and then click save. And it's the same way with your prizes up here. You can add more and click save. So that's basically all there is to setting up your external prize page, and that again is under offers and external prize page. Now to change the way that the page itself looks, you're going to go to Site Design, Templates, and you're going to click on the radio box, the drop-down box, and you're going to go to External Prize Page. And here you can, again, like I said, you can use the theme header and the theme footer if you'd like. Entirely up to you, or you can make this page look however you want to. The only thing that I would tell you is make sure you leave the coding in there. In fact, before you even begin, make a backup of the code that's in here so that you have it in case you mess something up. You can see in my code I added the image source with my flashing down arrow to bring attention to it. Change your fonts, your sizes, your colors, whatever you want to do to change that up. You can also change the external prize page follow-up page. Again, you can use the theme header and the theme footer, or you don't have to. Once again, make a backup, change anything you want here. If you want to see the way this page looks in a basic HTML page, you can see it right here. Drew it into Composer just to show you what it looks like. And this is the follow-up page. And it says, hi Linda, you have just claimed, whatever your prize is. And then get an additional prize. Get an additional 50 credits, Linda. Just log in at Quality Hits for You and serve 100 pages in the next two, however many minutes, and click here to log in. So once again, you can change colors, fonts, sizes, do whatever you want with this page, but that's what it looks like. So that's basically all there is to the external prize page. I really hope that this has helped to answer all your questions. Enjoy, everybody. Have a great day.